comment, share, and subscribe. Did I miss anything? Let's see. I got food. You look. Okay. This is crazy. This is kind of crazy. Hey guys, my name is Brittney Michelle. I am new to YouTube. This is my welcome video. I am excited to share my journey with you. My channel will be based around vlogging, beauty, and lifestyle, life lessons, vegan cooking, you know, whatever comes to mind. I hope that through my content, I am able to inspire, give myself a little audacity and step outside the box and do something different. Use this channel as a personal diary of mine, back on it and just see where I am. The editing and recording for me is super therapeutic. I love it. It brings me a lot of joy and I want to share it. So here I am. I'm so excited. It's like 4 in the morning. I'm recording this. I was like, let me just go ahead and record a welcome video real quick. I've already created 2 months of content, so I'm super excited. I'm just really excited about it. I definitely look out for content every Thursday. Like I said, expect vlogs, beauty tips, lifestyle, a little vegan cooking, a little bit of everything. So welcome to my world. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Welcome to my channel.